Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add a new address on StubHub. If you don't have a StubHub account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. Under Settings, you will see several tabs. Click on Addresses. Then on this page, you will see an option that says Add a new address. Click on Add a new address. On the pop-up window, enter all the required information needed in adding a new address. After entering all the required information, click on Add. That's how you add a new address on StubHub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.